Let's look at this SMD resistor, which has a marking of 15x. The marking looks a little confusing. There's a table to refer to called the EIA 96 marking rule table. Let's have a look. 15x can be broken down to 15 and x. From our table, we can see that code 15 corresponds to 140. X is the multiplier, which in this case is 10 to the power of minus 1, which equals 0.1. So now we have 140 multiplied by 0.1, which is of course 14. So the value of our resistor is 14 ohms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics videos.